In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 3 ways you can use affirmations in your life. Over the years, the use of positive affirmations to change one's life has seen a dramatic increase in popularity. With the ability to create your own positive affirmations, anybody can use them to make positive changes in their life. If you are just getting started with using affirmations to instill positive messages in your subconscious mind, but don't know where to start, here are 3 ways you can use affirmations in your life. Flashcards. A common way to introduce positive affirmations into your life is with flashcards. The method is straightforward and requires nothing more than some flashcards and a pen. You can prepare a set of flashcards that feature the different affirmations that you want to apply to your life to affect positive change. Creating flashcards allows you to flip through the flashcards anytime you need a positive reminder of what you're working toward changing in your life. You want to keep your affirmations short, so not only will they fit on the index card, but so that it is easier for you to remember them. Stickers or posters. You can purchase or make your own posters or stickers that you can place in areas where you spend your time. Stickers and posters that bear positive affirmations are incredibly useful because you tend to see them regularly without making a conscious effort. Unlike the flashcards, the signs and stickers can deliver the affirmations to your subconscious mind without having to pick them up. You want to make sure that you place them in areas where they will be easily seen. This method is useful for long-term personal development. Create affirmation recordings. If you're not big into reading, you can create your own positive affirmation recordings that you can listen to each day. You don't need to have any fancy equipment to accomplish this, just a computer, microphone, and recording software. You can add soothing music to the background or even your favorite song to help you feel motivated to listen more often. You can play these recordings anywhere and at any time that you need. These are just 3 ways that you can incorporate daily affirmations into your life. The critical thing to remember is that if you want the affirmations to work, then you have to repeat them out loud every day.